Hello everybody, welcome to a different kind of video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this modern and simple house. It's very easy to do and I bet it's not going to take that much time. The bottom floor is very small like this and the top is also very small like this, but it's modern and it looks very nice. So let's start the build. First of all, you're going to dig a 3x4 land 1 square deep down. Next, add the white concrete over here. Then build 3 blocks high, 3, and then on each corner and connect them all. Build the roof like this and then do this. Get the grey concrete, start over here, and sort of make it stairs with this. This is not really going to be the stairs, but yeah. So, like this. Now, add the stairs. Since this is a 2-story, build one side of the wall 3 blocks high with the grey concrete. And then get the glass and build it right over here. Now, build it like this, get the white concrete out, and then do this. Then, get the smooth quartz slab, and then paste it like this, 1 block. Get the leaves and put it for decoration, just like this. Get the leaves out again and put it over here. And then get the white concrete and put it over here, like this. Now get out your birch fence. Add it over here. Just like this. Add one over here as well, just for show. Get a door, it can be anything you like, and put it right over here, just like this. You can put anything inside, such as a bed, crafting table, or even a furnace. And now for the bottom. Get the door which you were using and put it right over here as the bottom of your house. You can put the glass anywhere you like. I'm just going to put it over here as a window. You can design the back with some stairs, but I'm just going to make it simple and just put it like this. Your house is finished.